Hello friends, welcome to the 7th video of the Mentor-Mentee Internship Program. This program is initiated by the team Write a Prize. Myself Priya Sen, the mentee for this program, and the mentor Varshika Chaudhary is guiding me for the technology Python. So, this is the 7th lecture of the Python technology. In this, we will study about dictionary, which is the fifth part of the variable types or the data types. So in this we will see what the dictionaries are, how it is accessed, updated and deleted. So Python dictionaries work like associative arrays or hashes found in Perl and consist of key value pairs. Key can be almost any Python type and values can be any arbitrary Python object. Means Python dictionaries are just similar to associative arrays. Means it also have key and value pairs in which key fetches the value we want to execute. Each key is separated from its value by a colon. The items are separated by commas and the whole thing is enclosed in curly braces. Keys are unique within a dictionary while values may not be. So we will see this with an example. Here we have an example item which is a dictionary type in which the values are stored as here name is a key and a course is a key. So here we can see each key is separated from its value by a colon. It is separated by its value from a colon like here because Priya and MCA here is a value. So again now we can see that the items are separated by comma. These two are the items and we have separated it with a comma. Also this whole thing is enclosed in a curly braces here. So what it is a dictionary. Okay. Values can be assigned and accessed using square braces. Also we can access dictionary values by using these square braces. We will see in another slide. Firstly, we will see the example of dictionary. So here we have declared dict, a dictionary type variable which have three items in it: name, Zara, age 7, class first. Here we have printed the name, okay, by using dict name. Here we have used the square bracket to access the key name. Here the dict name prints the value stored in it and the dict age prints the value stored in it, and that is 7. Accessing values in dictionary. Now we will see how to access values in dictionary by some of the examples. Here, firstly we have declared a null type dictionary. Then we have dictionary 1. Here 1 is the key. Dictionary 2, here 2 is the key. Here in this, the value, this is 1 and this is 2 are stored. Also we have one dictionary that is named tinydict, in which three values or items are stored. Now we will access it one by one. Firstly, print dict 1. It will print the value for one key. Where is the one key? Here is the one key. And what value is stored in it? This is 1. So it prints in the output, this is 1. Now we have print dict 2. Okay, this 2 is a keyword. So what value is stored in it? This is 2. So it will print the value, this is 2. Similarly, we print the tinydict. Here it prints the complete dictionary, the whole value which is stored in the tiny dictionary, or we can say the whole item which is stored in tiny dictionary. Okay. Now if we want to fetch only the keys, then what we use? We use the keys function. And if we want to fetch only the values, then we use values function. Means dictionary name dot keys will fetch all the keys stored in that dictionary, and dictionary name, that is tinydict dot values, will fetch all the values stored in that dictionary. Okay. Now we will see how to update the dictionary. So here's another example. Dict is equals to name Zara, age 7, class first. Here, if we want to update the existing entry, then what we do? We use the square bracket, write the key name in that, and we just simply change the value we want to write. So here age was 7, now we want to update it with 8, so we have written here 8. And now if we want to add new entry in the existing dictionary, then what we do, we use that dictionary name. Here we write a new key and we store a new value in that. It will just add a new entry in that existing dictionary. Now when we print this both dict age and dict school, we get the output 8, which has updated the existing entry, and DPS school, which has added new entry in the existing dictionary. Now we will see how to delete dictionary elements. Here we have the same example. Okay, dict is equals to name Zara, age 7, and class first. So firstly, delete dict name will remove entry with key name, means it will remove the value which is stored in the key name. This function clear will remove all the entry in the dict, means all the entries, this name, age, class will all be deleted. And del dict means this keyword del will delete the whole dictionary, means this whole dict will be deleted. Then after doing these, if we print dict age, okay, so what it will give the output, it will simply show the error unsubscriptable error. Okay, why? Because this dict age is does not exist, because all the entries are already removed, or we can say that the entire dictionary is deleted. Thanks for watching the video. Please watch our video 8 to cover the further topics.